Hello students, today we are solving the numerical problems of chapter Calorimetry, class 10th, ICSE Board, subject is physics and the book is Srijan Publication. Question number 1 is calculate the heat energy required to raise the temperature of an iron block from 15 degrees Celsius to 265 degrees Celsius. Mass of the iron block is 20 kg and specific heat capacity of iron is 450 joules per kg per degree Celsius. Solution is you need to know what is the specific heat capacity. First of all, write the given. Given is the mass of iron block is 20 kg. Specific heat capacity is 450 joules per kg per degree Celsius. And change in temperature symbol is delta T, that is 265 minus 15 degree Celsius. It is 250 degree Celsius. Let me write the symbol for C, the specific heat capacity. And the relation is specific heat capacity. The heat energy is equal to mc delta T, where m is the mass, c is the specific heat capacity, and delta T is the change in temperature. The amount of heat energy required we need to calculate. So Q is equal to, given is this, and to find I'm writing over here. M is 20. Before putting the values of the variables in the formula, we need to make sure that all the units are in the same set, that they all are in SI unit. 250 multiplied by change in temperature 250, C is, wait, I'll write like this. C is 450 and change in temperature is 250. We have to multiply all this. Just try to follow the easier path, that 25 multiplied by 2 will be 50 with the 0 from 250 and 0 from this 20. So this is 5000 and we have to multiply this with 450. So we'll just count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And we'll multiply 45 with 5. 5 fives are 25 to carry. 5 fours are 20. 2. The amount of heat. So the unit is joules. We will write this in the standard form. So we'll count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 2.26. If we shift the decimal towards the left, we'll say plus. If we shift the decimal towards right, यहाँ पे डेसिमल है, लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो प्लस के लिए 6 लिखेंगे और अगर राइट साइड में करेंगे तो -6 लिखते हैं. वेरी सिंपल वे. So this is the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of an iron block from temperature 15 degree to 265. Next we will do next question.